Hello. So I chose the article that had to do with a guy that had a tumor and 3D printing technology allowed them to take out a part of his skull and the tumor. And 3D technology, 3D printing technology, I think one of the most important things is individual customization. So in this particular situation, the tumor was pressing against his optic nerve, so it was going to cause his eye to go blind. And they went in and cut out a piece of his skull and cut out the tumor. Then they did a CAD from some software and they mapped out the procedure that they were going to perform on his skull. And they also, in addition to that, printed out a piece of metal that they put into his skull to fill the void where the tumor was connected to his bone. So if you go to the article, it says that they were successful. So I also think that 3D printing can help people that are going deaf. So when people go deaf, they have a cochlear. That's your eardrum. So cochlear implants also are put into people so they can hear again. And so each one of those is unique to that person's makeup and their the structure of their eardrum. So I think 3D printing is very important for these things that are individually customized, especially in the medical field. So as far as like manufacturing, mass manufacturing, I think it's going to take some years to really refine that process, from what I've read so far. So yeah, no, I think it's great that this man that they performed the surgery on is able to see out of his eye again. Whereas before, they wouldn't have the customized implant that they could put in his skull. And if they could do that, it would take more time than it did in this situation, which this guy didn't have time. These tumors grow fast, from what I've heard. So the days that it would take to outsource, something that you stick in your brain or by your brain, that would probably take weeks to finish if you were doing a manufacturing process from the past. So I think the 3D printing technology, again, is great for individual customization. I think that it has life-saving capabilities.